I know I never tell you much, but you're a great mom. I am sorry for being so mean. I just have a hard time showing any type of feeling. I really do in my heart want my life back. Make things right and make a great life for me and my kids. I know that we have not been close lately like mom and daughter. Maybe over time, when I fix my life, we can do more things and get closer. I am sorry it took me so long to say this, and I'm so sorry. I love you so very much, and thank you for always being there for me. You are a great mom. There is much more to be said in that letter.